Good morning, friend. How are you doing today? Good? Okay, today we're going to talk about habit. Can you give me some example about good and bad habit? Wake up early in the morning. Stay up late. Being late. Read every day, yeah. Drink water instead of soda. And then here, spending a lot of time on Facebook and TV, yeah. I got addicted to Facebook. TV. Okay. So how can you turn a bad habit to a good one? Or how can you quit your bad habit and then set up a new one? For example, in the past I found it was very difficult to wake up early in the morning. I did have my alarm set up, but after a couple of times snoozing, 4 or 5 times, and then I did went back to sleep after that. But there's one method that I've been using, and I found it quite successful. So here's what I did. So let's say I want to wake up at 5 o'clock. So I have 2 alarms. One will be at 5, and the others will be at 5:01. And I'll make sure that these 2 are in different corners of the room, and make sure that they out of my reach. So say I'm not staying in my bed and then reaching out for this. I have to move my body to get to it. So things happen as normal. So at 5, it rained. The first alarm rang. I snoozed. The second one rang. I snoozed. But after the second one ran, I didn't go to sleep. I didn't went back to sleep. I ran right away to my kitchen and boiled the water. So it usually takes about 3 minutes to boil the water, and during that time I have to wake up. I have to stay awake, or else I'm gonna burn my house. I have bad experience about it before, so I learned my lesson. And during the waiting time, I can wash my face or brush my teeth, and after that, so I've tried it before, and then there will be a couple of times that I did all of that and then I went back to sleep. But most of the time I just stay awake after that. And then I realized that if I stay awake about 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes, there will be a high chance that I'm not going back to sleep again. And then there's one more thing that I added to my schedule. That is, I sign up for an early yoga class, which give me more motivation to wake up in the morning. So I think yeah, at that time my yoga class is at 5:30, and then I did pay for it, so I had to go to the class. So by adding the boiling water and the yoga class, I did give up my habit of getting up late and turns to a good habit, which is wake up early and do exercise in the morning. So what was your bad habit? Can you share with your friends? And what method have you tried? You did try, and you've been trying. So was it successful? Was it unsuccessful? Or you don't know yet? Can you share it with your friends? And then maybe your friends can give you some advice about it. So you guys will have 5 minutes to discuss about it. So today we're gonna learn some new phrasal verb relating to habit, and so after that you will be better describe your bad habit and how to give up a bad one and set up a new one. So that will be your writing composition as well. So your homework after today is writing a small composition about a bad habit and how to quit that one and set up a new one. What method can you try to give up that bad habit or set up a new one? It's fine as well. And yes, and you will turn in your paper in the next class for your quiz grade.